programa, May Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Psalms, chapter 116, verse 2. Ito po pagkasabi, "Because He has inclined His ear to me, therefore I will call upon Him as long as I live." Now, my topic for this morning is showing up. Naalala niyo po ba, basta may practice, sinasabi din, show up ha. Ibig po sabihin, pagdating mga kapatid sa ating prayer, we don't have to miss a day. We have to show up. No? May mga panahon na hindi maganda manalangin, but still, we will do it. Why? It's very important, no? Sa isang athlete, kailangan ng rehearsal. Ang word po na meditate ay mula po sa Latin word na rehearse or to rehearse. No? Ibig sabihin, yung prayer mga kapatid is a regular. Kailangan may disiplina tayo sa paggawa nito. Often, our prayers are like a kind of rehearsal lang, no? But still, let's show up. Because prayer is an intimate conversation with our God. There are times na nakakapagod. There are times na hindi natin gustong manalangin. But just show up. Bakit po? Napakalaga po na ang presensya natin o ang ating tuon ay palaging nasa Panginoon. Bigyan natin ng panahon ng Panginoon. Huwag nating sayangin yung bawat panahon. Kung gusto natin maging mabuting athlete, mag-exercise, di ba? Gawin natin yung practice. Kung gusto natin maging mabuting singer, araw-araw talagang aawit ka. The same is true with our Christian faith. We have to to practice every day. We have to show up every day with Christ because it is a relationship with God. So God bless po at magandang umaga.